Motor shaft slippage part 2 or do, whatever, part 2. Alright, motor shaft pull or push up. We got a motor shaft that is obviously spinning. The bell, see? Woo! Wee! Anyway. So to push the shaft and to basically disassemble the motor, you would use the tool this way. But we want to seat it, so we're going to install everything this way. You just gotta make sure all that gets lined up pretty close. You get it off, you can bend stuff, break stuff. So, seat it, and you don't want to seat this all the way down because you see that groove. I can get some light in there. There's a groove where the C-clip sets. Way off again. That's okay. But where that C-clip sits, we gotta leave some space for that. So I mean, it's gonna be close. I'm not gonna do the whole exact assembly for this motor shot. Well, it's actually a bell that doesn't belong in this motor, and I was experimenting with something. But it's way power hungry. But that feels pretty good. I've about got it where it should be. But there's also on these motors where C-clip goes, and so see that. So that C-clip goes in there, and then I don't know. It depends on how worn everything is. You've got some tolerance right there. That might be a little bit tight. I could probably loosen it up just a bit more. But I mean, that's all you do. That's how you assemble.